Good morning. Welcome to the Kate Shepherd Elementary Newscast. Today is Tuesday, January 31st, 2023. Please stand to join me in the Pledge of Allegiance and a moment of silence. Salute, pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Remain standing for a moment of silence. Thank you. You may be seated. Today's weather, we have a high of 75, a low of 59, cloudy with a low chance of rain. Today for breakfast, we're having ham and cheese croissant, juice fruit. For lunch, turkey roast, mashed potatoes, green beans, juice, and fruit. For our birthdays today, we have Michael Mustafa and we have Miss Hatcher. Happy birthday! Uniforms, remind students of our uniform policy. Approved outerwear should be worn once they're inside the building. We will have ACAP boot camp and literacy tutoring that will begin February 7th. I believe we have a good list for this. We are very excited. ACAP practice. Teachers, thank you for who have been practicing the ACAP with your classes. Being familiar with the platform and exposure will surely help our scholars do their best at test time. Beginning in February, we will do a school-wide ACAP practice once a week. Today's late duty is Miss Shepherd. Tomorrow, Miss Sunstall, Moore, and Bertolino rounds out the week. February attendance incentive. School attendance is very important. During the month of February, we will have an attendance incentive in which the classes on each grade level will compete against each other to see who can have the most students at school the most amount of time. Each day, the class will mark the number of students that are tardy, absent, or have early dismissals. At the end of the month, the class with the lowest number of tally marks will earn an ice cream sundae party. There will also be a reward for any students that have no tardies, no absences, and no early dismissals. We need our Shepherd scholars here every day, all day, to be the best that we can be. Important dates. February 1st is World Read Aloud Day. February 2nd, ACAP Science Refresher Virtual Meeting. February 3rd, PACE 3rd grade field trip. February 7th, tutoring begins. February 10th, PACE 4th and 5th grade field trip. February 16th, Michael Green Science Machine demonstrations. February 17th, 4th grade field trip. February 20th through 24th, Mardi Gras break. February 7th, spring pictures. AR Superstars that have met their third quarterly goal. They are super fast. Arch, Jamari Williams. Bolton, Justice Douglas. Lankford, Jason Davis. Moore, Jaden Knowles. Sunstall, Ashton Martin. In Miss Tompkins' class, Ann Troy Goff, Delaney Henderson, and Tommy Ingram. In Waller's class, Maverick Martin and Milani Martinez. Miss Smith will come around with the AR cart. Congratulations to our already stars of the week. Our top K1 class is Miss Clark. Our top 2nd, 3rd class is Miss Curd. And our top 4, 5 class is Miss Arch. Our top 1st and kindergarten student is Dylan Anderson. Way to go, Dylan, in Miss Clark's class. In 2nd and 3rd grade, it's Amani Lett in Miss Curd's class. And in grades 4 or 5, it's Jordan Fulton in Miss Bertolino's class. So way to go, guys. Also, send us your questions. If you have a question that you are wondering about, please submit it to the question box in the library. That's all for today's news. Have a fantastic Tuesday, Kate Shepherd.